In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view more than 50 emails in Gmail. If you've ever felt restricted by the default limit of 50 emails visible per page in Gmail, don't worry, we have a solution that will make your email browsing much more efficient. By the end of this video, you'll be able to see up to 100 emails at once. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail website by entering the URL mail.google.com. Here, you'll need to sign in with your Gmail account credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you've done that, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, we need to adjust the settings in Gmail. At the top right corner of your Gmail interface, you'll see a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select See All Settings. This will open the full settings menu where you can make a range of customizations. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll notice that you land on the General Settings tab by default. This is where we're going to make our change. Scroll down through these settings until you locate the section titled Maximum Page Size. This setting controls how many email conversations are displayed per page in your inbox or any other folder within Gmail. In this section, you'll see a line that says Show 50 conversations per page. There's a drop-down menu next to this line. Click on the drop-down and you're going to select the option that allows 100 emails to be displayed per page. And remember, 100 is the maximum number of emails that Gmail lets you view per page. So this is as far as we can extend it. After selecting 100 from the drop-down menu, it's important not to forget the next crucial step, saving these changes. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save Changes button. As your page reloads, you'll notice that your inbox, along with any other folder like Sent or Drafts, will now display up to 100 emails per page instead of the usual 50. This adjustment helps those who receive a high volume of emails by reducing the number of pages you need to flip through, making your email management more streamlined. And that's it. It's a simple tweak, but it makes a big difference in how you navigate your emails. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your Gmail experience. Be sure to stay with us for more practical tips and tricks for your digital life.